Dr. C. Chandramouli, Secretary, Ministry of Personnel and Training, Sri Sanjeev Chopra, Director, Lal Bahadur Shastri, National Academy of Administration, Mussoorie, dear officers of the 2017 batch of IAS, Namaskar and good morning. I warmly welcome you all to Rashtrapati Bhavan. I congratulate you on joining the prestigious Indian Administrative Service. You are all talented young people and now a part of a privileged group. The basis for this privilege comes from the higher call of duty and service that is expected from you. This has been the legacy of your distinguished service and you must continue to uphold it. I have heard experiences from 5 trainees who come from different background, different states. I think 2 are coming from Karnataka, 1 from West Bengal, 1 from Madhya Pradesh, and the 5th one from Kerala. ये जो experiences शेयर करने की जो हमारी परंपरा है, प्रवृत्ति, इस प्रवृत्ति को यदि आप अपने पूरे करियर भर मेंटेन रखेंगे तो मुझे लगता है कि शायद यू कुड बिकम अ सक्सेसफुल एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ऑफिसर। दिक्कत है साझा करने में। जब मैं साझे की बात करता हूँ, शेयरिंग ऑफ योर एक्सपीरियंसेस, साझे करने में केवल अपनी बात कहने की ही इच्छा नहीं है, बल्कि दूसरों के स्टोरीज़ को भी सुनने की है और आपको पूरे जीवन भर यही करना है। लेकिन यदि इसमें वंस यू थिंक आई एम एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ऑफिसर, आई एम हियर टू रूल ओवर द पीपल, देन यू विल बी लूजिंग योर विजन एंड थॉट। ये शेयरिंग की अगर प्रवृत्ति है, जिसको मैं फिर अंडरलाइन करूँगा, एंड आई गॉट दिस पॉइंट फ्रॉम योर एक्सपीरियंसेस। जब हर किसी ने कहा कि मैं अपने एक्सपीरियंस को शेयर करना चाहते हूँ या चाहती हूँ, तो मुझे लगा कि शायद यही तो आपको एक नियति, डेस्टिनी इज़ गिविंग यू दिस मूल मंत्रा, जिसको कि यदि आप याद रखेंगे ज़िंदगी भर, क्योंकि आपको जब रूरल एरिया में इंडिया की, आपने बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस की बात की, कुछ आपने ये भी कहा कि हम इंडिया को न्यू इंडिया के रूप में देखना चाहते हैं। बहुत अच्छा है, प्रधानमंत्री जी का सपना है और आप सबका होना चाहिए, बिल्कुल होना चाहिए। लेकिन इस सपने को पूरा करने की जो जिम्मेदारी है वो आप सब पर है और ये एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है। लेकिन उस चैलेंज को यदि आपका जो फ्रेमवर्क है, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव फ्रेमवर्क, उसमें यदि एक बार खो गए आप, तो आप उससे निकल नहीं पाएंगे। ये सारे चैलेंजेस, जो सारे मंसूबे हैं आपके इंडिया को न्यू इंडिया बनाने का, वो सब एक तरफ रह जाते हैं। एनीवे, योर सर्विस इज़ एट द vanguard of India's development and growth. In the past 7 decades, we have made significant progress as a nation, but a lot more is required to be achieved. There are social challenges to be overcome. There are economic constraints that mandate us to accelerate growth while being respectful of the environment. And there is the ever pressing need to adhere to the principles of social justice and equity. We, as a nation, as a people, are determined to overcome these limitations and transform India. And you, as change makers, will be at the center of all this. Your generation will be witness to unparalleled makeover of India as a vibrant democracy, as a global economic engine, and as a nation having eliminated poverty and providing higher standards of living for its people. प्रिय अधिकारीगण, हम सब ने ये संकल्प लिया है कि हम एक नए भारत का निर्माण करेंगे। पिछले कई वर्षों में सरकार ने ग्रामीण आवास, शौचालय, बिजली, सड़क, स्वच्छ रसोई ईंधन और वित्तीय समावेशन उपलब्ध कराने में महत्वपूर्ण प्रगति की है। और अब हमने भारत भर में करोड़ों लोगों को स्वच्छ पेयजल उपलब्ध कराने का कार्य किया। 100 करोड़ से अधिक व्यक्तियों को डिजिटल पहचान प्रदान की जा चुकी है। डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म पर अधिक से अधिक सार्वजनिक सेवाएं उपलब्ध कराई जा रही हैं। इससे लोगों के जीवन में सुगमता आई है और जिसके परिणाम स्वरूप लोगों की आकांक्षाएं बढ़ी हैं और उन आकांक्षाओं को पूरा करने की जिम्मेदारी हम सबकी है। यू आर अबाउट टू फिनिश योर 13-month attachment with the Government of India. In your engagement with the various ministries, you would have got a macro picture of our national priorities, our diversities, and our challenges. The scope, coverage, and objectives of Ayushman Bharat, Jal Shakti Abhiyan, Swachh Bharat, and Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, to name some of our key programs, would have given you an understanding of the scale of the change that we aspire to bring. You are already conversant with ground realities, having undergone your district training and attachments. You have thus been part of both the vision and implementation. You are now fully equipped to combine and connect the two. In your endeavor, you will have to look at approaches that give optimum results. You must emphasize on teamwork and take everybody along and recognize everybody's contribution. And while you do so, you must lead and be a role model. You must make best use of technology to foster good governance. You must also encourage greater people's participation in socio-economic programs, especially where you are dealing with mindsets and attitudes. Administration is no more about us and them, but only about us and us together. The gap between government and people must go. Your approach should be people-sensitive and people-centric. We are duty-bound to enhance ease of living for our people. In these changing times, communication has become seminal to achieving results. You must develop effective channels of communication with people and with the stakeholders using digital platforms, social media, youth clubs, and more. These would also be an effective mechanism of feedback for you. Dear officers, India is changing fast. The youth is aspiring for more. Our women are confident and playing a greater role in nation building. Our people are demanding efficient public service, better roads, better sanitation, and better digital network. We are also witness to greater transparency and accountability in public life. These present new challenges for you, but you should not treat them as hindrances. You must not hesitate in taking decisions in public interest. You have been given authority and you must exercise it with impartiality, for if you don't, you are denying someone, and more often the needy and the poor, her or his dues. And you must maintain the highest standards of integrity and honesty in the discharge of your duty. You will be judged by your actions and by your intentions. The people of India have placed great faith in you and should do your best to keep their trust. You represent a new India, an India that is confident, progressive, open to ideas, and one that wants to bring people to the center of governance. You have chosen your career as a vocation, as a service, and that should come out clear in your conduct and demeanor. I expect that you would take the lead to change the whole vocabulary around district administration, where authority and power must now be understood to be service and dedication to a larger cause. Dear officers, you are at the cutting edge of implementation, and your role is paramount if India is to transform itself to a 5 trillion economy, to double farm income, to achieve social justice, and to make women equal stakeholders in our progress. You have worked hard and with sincerity to reach thus far in life. You must continue with the same zeal and dedication to serve the people to India. And as you prepare for your career ahead, a word of caution for you. We are a parliamentary system of government. We elect our representatives who owe their allegiance to their respective political parties governing the states and at the center. These political representatives have dual role. One to serve the people and another to nurture their political constituency. But you as an officer have only one role, and that is to serve the people as public servants. While discharging your official duties, you are expected to be always neutral and objective in implementing government policies. If you fail to do so, you would break the trust placed in you by the system. Impartiality is the hallmark of bureaucracy, and you must observe it in letter and spirit. Your service is the pivotal of India's administration that combines, integrates, and holds together the various layers of national, state, and local governance. On you depend the aspirations and hopes of the poor and marginalized, and on you depends the well-being of our billion-plus people. I am sure you will stand up to their expectations. I wish you the very best in your careers ahead. Thank you.